How do you fill out Form 990? If you are part of a tax-exempt organization, you might be wondering how to fill out IRS Form 990, the Return of Organization Exempt from Income Tax. This form is essential for reporting your organization's financial activities and compliance with tax laws. Let's break down the process step by step to make it easier for you. First, it is important to know that Form 990 must be filed annually by most tax-exempt organizations. This includes non-exempt charitable trusts and certain political organizations. The deadline for filing is the 15th day of the 5th month after your organization's accounting period ends. For those following the calendar year, this means you need to file by May 15th. Before you start filling out the form, gather all necessary financial information. This includes income statements, balance sheets, and details about compensation for key personnel. Make sure that the financial data aligns with your organization's accounting method and tax year. Now let's go through the form itself. Start with Part 1, the summary. Here, you will describe your organization's mission, governance structure, and the number of employees and volunteers. You will also report revenue details, including contributions and program service revenue. Additionally, you will need to detail expenses like grants paid and fundraising fees. Next, in Part 2, make sure the form is signed by an authorized officer of your organization. This is a crucial step that should not be overlooked. Moving on to Part 3, you will provide a statement of your organization's program service accomplishments. This section is your chance to highlight the main programs and services your organization offers. In Part 4, you will find a checklist of required schedules. Depending on your organization's activities, you may need to include additional schedules. Part 5 focuses on statements regarding other IRS filings and tax compliance. Here, you will report on compliance with other tax filings and requirements. Part 6 is about governance, management, and disclosure. You will provide information about your organization's governance structure and policies. In Part 7, you will report compensation for officers, directors, trustees, key employees, and independent contractors. This is an important section that requires accurate reporting. Part 8 is the statement of revenue. Here, you will detail your organization's revenue sources, including contributions, grants, and sales. Part 9 is the statement of functional expenses. In this section, classify expenses by function, such as program services, fundraising, and administrative costs. In Part 10, you will report your organization's assets, liabilities, and net assets in the balance sheet section. Part 11 is about reconciling changes in net assets. This is important for ensuring that your financial statements are accurate. Finally, in Part 12, provide information about financial statements and accounting methods. Depending on your organization's activities, you may need to include additional schedules like Schedule A for public support or Schedule B for contributors. As you approach year-end closing procedures, remember to reconcile your financial statements with Form 990. Keeping detailed records of financial transactions and governance activities will help ensure accurate reporting. By following these steps, you can confidently complete IRS Form 990 and meet your annual reporting obligations.